Hi everyone, here we've got LG Wing, and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, so let's do it, and all you have to do right now is simply tap on notifications. As you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got the status bar section, and the only option we've got here is the battery percentage. Now it is obviously turned off because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar, but if you'd like to apply the battery percentage, just tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, from now on, next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your LG Wing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.